Hi, bonjour, welcome back. If you're currently learning French for immigration and you're feeling completely stuck, whether you're struggling to even start or are trapped at that B1 plateau or staring at an exam result that quite didn't go your way, I need you to take a deep breath and please do not give up just yet. We all know the logical reason you're doing this. If you don't pass, your future plans feel frozen. Currently your life feels stuck. But let's be honest, fear of being stuck isn't enough to keep you motivated at 9 p.m. when you're exhausted from a long day, right? You need a deeper why. Think about the worst case scenario. If you walk away from this chance right now, think about your parents. Think about the people you love, the people who are rooting for you or the future you promised yourself. When the grammar gets frustrating or when you feel overwhelmed, don't look at the textbooks, don't look at other people's Instagram, or don't look at success stories. Just look at your loved ones or the people who love you. I think that will help, and in my opinion, that is your real anchor. Try it if it helps. Now, let's also talk about how we can actually make this happen. Because studying for 3 hours straight after a long day of work, it doesn't work. It burns you out. I know, I've been there. Instead, I want you to break it down into bite-sized pieces throughout your day. You can try it. This helped me. This might help you, might not. Just try it out. So, for example, wake up in the morning, make your coffee, have your breakfast, and do your speaking practice right then. Speaking only takes about 15-20 minutes, like an actual speaking module, either TCF or TEF. Get it out of the way. Then, after work, before you do anything else, smash out one listening module. It will take about 42 minutes. Yep. And then take a total break. Cook your dinner, eat, unwind, do whatever. And then sit down for a quick writing module. Complete all 3 of them. Okay? Then take another break. Watch your favorite show. It doesn't have to be French. You don't have to listen to French music. It's your break. Don't overwhelm yourself, okay? Talk to your family, your friends, and right before bed, finish up with your reading, right? This way, you are not stressed or you're not distracted too much between those 2-3 hours study sessions. You can try. And of course, you can change the order however you like, but the secret isn't intensity, it's consistency, okay? If you are actively prepping for the exam, listen to me closely. You must touch all 4 modules every single day. Trust me, you don't want to miss any. If you neglect even one, it will show on your results. And nobody wants to pay for another exam fee and go through that stress all over again just because of one single module, right? Would you like to? No. And if you're a beginner or hovering around B1, stop drowning yourself in endless lists of grammar rules. Yes, grammar matters, I'm not denying that, but you learn how to actually use a language by consuming it. Like, for me, I never religiously learned grammar, okay? It's just like a job. You can study the theory all day, right? But you only truly learn when you start doing the actual work, like in real world, right? So listen to real French, read real materials, and let yourself absorb it, right? So I just want to say that you are entirely capable of doing this. Stop looking at the whole mountain and just focus on the next small step today. I know definitely that you've got this, and yeah, uh, feel free to reach out if you need any help or just have a question or two or need any support in this journey. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Merci.